Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I got an amazing surprise for you guys. So today, yes it is. Today it's gonna be the giveaway. So basically I'm gonna be telling you guys details on how to enter the giveaway. And I'm gonna show you guys what you guys are gonna get. So the first thing you guys are gonna get, this. So it's a Sephora collection, hydration, moisturizer, and you're gonna get a mask, and also you're gonna get a jelly cleanser as well. So it's just gonna be amazing, like the best feeling for your skin. So after that, you guys are also gonna get some Sephora wipes. These are like literally amazing because they smell so good. I love to take my makeup off with them. And they also have one I specifically love the watermelon one, like watermelon and pineapple. Pineapple is my favorite. I love that one, but it's I don't know what's wrong with it. Like it's probably out of stock, or they might have discontinued it. But online it's still there. So it's probably just out of stock in Sephora right now, like in the stores. But that's like my favorite one. If the pineapple was here, I would have got that one, but it's not. So next you're gonna get some Shiseido essentials. So basically you're gonna get like a gentle cleanser. You're gonna get the little pad so you can use on your face, and you're also gonna get a softening concentrate. So like this brand is like supposed to be the best for your skin. I haven't tried it, and like I don't know if I'm ever gonna try it, but like who knows, I might, but I'm gonna give it away too. So what are you guys, so you guys can like try it out, like let me know. So you guys are also gonna get this Gen Nude Bare Minerals lip gloss. So it comes in the shade Everything, and it's like a nice nude. It's kind of like my nail color. Like, let me see if I can, yeah, it's like my nail color, sort of like that. It's honestly very beautiful. And you guys are also gonna get a little Laura Mercier travel size mascara, so you know you can just be sexy on the go. Well, tried. And then also you guys are gonna get a Sephora eyebrow pencil. So this is in the shade Universal Deep, so number 2. It's a really nice brown, and yeah, get your brows in place. Don't mind me for not wearing makeup. Honestly, I don't feel like putting makeup just to announce the giveaway. So like, you're gonna get what you get. Next up, you're gonna get the Skin Fix AHA Renewing Cream. So this brand, it's like supposed to be the best for your skin. It's supposed to help renew it, give it a lot of help. Next up, you guys are gonna get the Fab Dry Parched Skin Intense Hydration. I read it like the opposite way. It's an intense hydration for dry parched skin. So this brand is really good for your skin. Like it's the best. You're just gonna get this e.l.f. lip liner. So in the color Berry Sorbet. It's like a nice hot fuchsia pink or stuff. Yeah. And you guys are gonna get a Giorgio Armani the lip moisturizer in number 400. It's also supposed to be a nice red, and it's so gorgeous, honestly. Let me just take it out the box so you can see. So it comes like this. Like, to be honest, I feel like I should just keep it for myself, because you know, look at this. It's gonna look so nice on my skin. Amazing. Yeah, so I'm gonna give it away. And then wait, let me just put the lipstick in. The final thing you guys are gonna die for, honestly. Dun dun dun. Ole! So you guys are also gonna get the Huda Rose Gold palette. So you guys, oh my god, like there's such beautiful colors. Like, oh my god, like if I could, I could keep it for myself, but you know, I don't feel like doing that to you guys, because I promise I'm gonna give you a bomb giveaway with a nice palette, you know. So you guys are gonna get a palette, and you guys are actually getting so many nice things. Like, honestly, if somebody gave me this giveaway, girl, bitch, I ain't leaving them. Honey. I'm just trying to open the palette so you guys can see it. You guys are gonna get this lovely lady on the cover. Oh, come on, buddy. I ain't got time for you. Okay. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Let me just open it up so you guys can see the color. Yeah, I should have like just put my tripod to hold it, but like I'm just too lazy to just like grab my tripod. So right when you open it, you get Huda's face again. It's like, oh, look how gorgeous she is. Like, bro, how did they even make this? I would love to have my face on like something like this. Like, ah, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, so these are the colors that you will be getting inside the palette. They're so beautiful, like, honestly. Yeah, so you guys are gonna be getting that. One lucky subscriber is gonna be getting that. I was like contemplating on doing what is it called, doing a giveaway for 3 people. So that's why it took a very long time, because I'm like, first when I said I was going to do the giveaway, I said I was going to do 1 person, and then after when it came close to me doing the giveaway, I'm like, but why am I only doing it for 1? I should actually just do it like for like 2 or 3 people. Like it didn't, like, I don't know, for some reason I just wanted to do the most, and then after I'm like, you know what, let me just wait until I get 300 subscribers. And then after, I'll just do a nice big giveaway, give them a nice palette, give them a nice lipstick, you know, some name brand stuff. Yeah. So you guys got basically everything. You got skin, you got makeup. So yeah. To join the